Hello and welcome today to the Alfatron series of What's in the Box. Today we're going to be showcasing the WU4K-HUB and its grommet. So we have two boxes. One is the WU4K-HUB over here and the other box is the grommets. Okay, so what's in the box? So we have a user manual, quite nice, small in the box. We have a WU4K itself, nice, small and sleek in its packaging, nice and covered. We also have some accessories. So we have the power supply, we have some little rubber feet that just allows you to put it on the bottom of the box so it doesn't slip around if you're mounting it on, or if you're putting it on the table. The other side of the box we have some other cables. So we have a DB9 RS232 to Phoenix connector for control of the unit from third-party devices. Move that over there. Adapter for the power supply, and then some ears. The ears are nicely, easily mountable on the side of the box, and that allows you to mount the box upside down underneath the table in your meeting room. Alright, then we have the grommet. So in the grommet box, quite simple, is the actual table grommet itself. Alright, then we have some little accessories for the table grommet as well. So firstly, the little cutout. So this allows you to mark it. It's got the dimensions on it so that you can cut it out, so that you can put this guy inside the table. Then some screws. The little screws allow you to do the back plate, mounting it underneath and screwing the back plate, mounting it to the unit so that it stays nice and snug inside the hole and doesn't kind of move around. Alright, so that's the WU4K. We'll just open it up over here just to show you the unit outside of the plastic. The plastic in there. So WU4K-HUB, that's the back. In the front we have a couple of buttons, input 1, 2, 3 and 4, and an auto switch button which you can switch on and off. At the back we have a couple of connections, some USB host connections, USB peripheral connections, some HDMI connections and an HDMI out and an audio output. Then we have 4 connectors over here, which are the black little 3-pin connectors. Those guys can get connected, which are these guys on the packet. You connect that into the back of the box, cat cable up to the grommet, which allows you to control the box for the show me and blackout button on the grommet. The show me button allows you to switch from PC to PC. And that is what is in the box. A couple of accessories you would need to obviously finalize your installation. First accessory is a USB B to A cable. You can do it in USB 2 or USB 3 depending on the peripherals that you're putting in and what you want to get out on the other side. A USB extender cable. So this is from Alfatron itself. Multiple different lengths. USB cables allow you to extend accessories or the peripherals from further distances back to the table, or to extend from the box to the grommet if the grommets are a little bit further away. And then lastly, HDMI cable, also an Alfatron product, multiple different lengths on the Alfatron cables. This is for your host PCs, so HDMI inputs either from the grommet to the box, or directly from the box to the PC, and then the HDMI out, which will be going to the display. And I think that's it. That's what's in the box. Thank you very much for joining us today. Hit the like button, subscribe, and thank you very much and have a good day.